Alright, good morning. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. And today we're on the notorious Bass Factory. We're on Clear Lake. This is only the second time I've ever been here. The first time was about 2 years ago. I came here in February or March, and I caught 0 fish. The water was low, and now we're into April. We've had a ton of rain. The water's up, and from everything that I hear right now, the fishing's great out here. So hopefully we can get on some fish. It was a beautiful drive up here. Saw a couple big herds of elk on the way up here. It was really nice. So all right, let's get to it. Let's get 5 or 6 hours out here on the lake and hopefully catch a couple fish and maybe catch a monster. All right, thanks for coming along. Let's get to it. Appreciate it. Almost forget what it's like to catch a fish. I haven't caught a fish in so damn long. .1-degree water temp. There's a fish. There's a fish. Good fish. Yeah, that's what we come to Clear Lake for right there. Oh, this is a big fish. Come on, buddy. Get in the net. Yes, sir. First Clear Lake fish. Yeah, that's a good one. All right, there we go. Nice first Clear Lake fish. Caught him on the spinnerbait. Let's get him in the water while we get set up here. That's what we come to Clear Lake to catch right here. Get 5 of these today, we'll be happy. Haven't used my scale in so long, it's not working. All right, 3 pounds, 9 ounces. All right, buddy, let's get the release on you. Oh, hold on. We gotta measure you. We gotta measure you. All right, we got 17.25, 3 pounds, 9 ounces. All right, let's release this guy. All right, well, that was a beautiful start to the day. What an absolutely perfect day out here. A little bit of cloud cover. It's not too hot, not too windy. Just gorgeous out here today. Already caught a nice 3-pounder. Hopefully that's not the only fish we catch, but even if it is, I am happy that I got one solid fish out here. I don't know how I'll ever get a big one out of here if there's one up under there, but we'll worry about that if we hook into it. Water's so clear, like, wasn't expecting crystal clear water. kind of kicking myself for this morning. Right after catching that fish, I cut across to the other side, but there was a lot of people. There was a lot of people on that side, and I kind of wanted to get away from the crowd, but that's been the only place I caught a fish all day, so probably should have just stayed over there. I would think this island right here would be a nice spot, but I haven't caught anything over here. I would think they would be pushing up shallow to get ready to spawn. I haven't really seen a whole lot of fish activity either. A rough day. Still only the one fish. We're gonna grab some lunch. We're gonna head across the other side. We're gonna crack open a beer because it's been that kind of day. And maybe on the other side we can find where they're hiding. All right, well, that's gonna do it. Definitely a grind out there. Feel fortunate to catch that one decent fish. Kind of had me fooled catching it really early on. I thought, man, this was gonna be a great day. I was just gonna catch fish all day long, and it just wasn't the case. And after talking to several people on the water, several people at the boat ramp, including a fish and game out there on the water, seemed like it was an absolute tough day for everybody out there. I don't know why. The conditions are perfect out here. Maybe the calm conditions, I don't know. The nice weather. I mean, it's still a little chilly. The water temps were still 52 degrees, but I had an absolute blast out there, and it beats the last time that I was here when I got 0 fish. At least I caught a decent largemouth. So that's the first bass for me this year, and hopefully here on out it's just going to get better and better because spring is definitely here. We got really nice weather finally. So looking forward to more videos and taking you guys along. Remember, if you do like these videos, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and leave me some comments. It really helps out the channel. Appreciate it, guys. We'll catch you on the next one. Thanks.